Hi everyone. Welcome back to NG Auto Review. Today we're diving into one of the most luxurious and unexpected creations in the automotive world, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right, Rolls-Royce has entered the motorhome market, and as you'd expect, it redefines what it means to travel in style. From the very first glance, the exterior leaves no doubt that this is a Rolls-Royce. The signature Pantheon grille dominates the front, flanked by laser-cut LED headlights that stretch sleekly into the bodywork. The two-tone paint finish is customizable in hundreds of shades, with hand-polished chrome detailing that gives the motorhome a yacht-like presence on the road. Despite its size, the design language stays elegant, with smooth flowing lines and a floating roof profile. The Spirit of Ecstasy emblem rises proudly at the front, making it unmistakable, whether you're at a luxury campsite or cruising down the highway. Under the hood, or more accurately, beneath the body. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome is powered by a hybrid V12 powertrain, paired with electric motors for seamless performance. This setup produces over 700 horsepower, allowing the massive vehicle to glide effortlessly even at highway speeds. Air suspension ensures the ride feels like you're floating on clouds, absorbing bumps and imperfections without a whisper of discomfort. Rolls-Royce has also included advanced driver assist systems, making long journeys not just luxurious but stress-free. Step inside, and you're welcomed into what feels less like a motorhome and more like a five-star suite. The cabin is crafted with hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood, and crystal accents. The living area features reclining lounge chairs, a fully equipped kitchenette with top-tier appliances, and a dining table that extends electronically. The bedroom is fitted with a king-size bed, customizable lighting, and panoramic windows, while the bathroom includes a rainfall shower with heated marble floors. Everything is voice-activated, from climate control to entertainment, thanks to Rolls-Royce's latest AI concierge system. Of course, all of this comes at a price. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome starts at around $2.5 million, with customization options that can push it far beyond that figure. For those who can afford it, it's not just a motorhome, it's a statement of ultimate luxury on wheels. That's our detailed look at the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned here on NG Auto Review for more deep dives into the world's most exciting vehicles.